Hello, boys and girls. Today we're going to do a review lesson with phonics suffix un. So suffix usually go in the beginning of a word. In the first part, the words are being chopped up or chunked into sounds. And then the second part, the word is actually put together. So let's start with unhappy. Here we have unhappy. Unlock, unlock, unlock. Unfair, unfair. Unpack, untie, untie. Unwell, unwell. Unable, unable. Unlucky, untidy, untidy. Unseen, unseen. Undo, undo. Unusual, unusual. So that's the blending part, and let's move on to the two sentences. Peter had been feeling unhappy and unwell all morning, period. Notice the capital in the beginning and an end mark at the end. Peter is a name, and Peter is also at the beginning of your sentence. So the P needs to be capital. Let's read it one more time. Peter had been feeling unhappy and unwell all morning. Okay, I want you to try something new with me. I'm going to point to the words and then I want you to read it. I'm not going to read it with you. You're going to read it to yourself. So here we go. Good job. Now let's move on to the second sentence. She is unable to untie her shoes. Notice the capital in the beginning. Notice the end mark at the end. And I want you to read it as I'm pointing to it. Well, let me read it one more time to you. She is unable to untie her shoes. Now your turn. Good job. So that is good practice for you. Keep practicing the blending lessons. Do it by yourself. Do it with someone at home. Practice makes permanent. You'll learn it. So have fun. Thank you for doing the blending lesson with me.